Hello guys, welcome back. We all know that when we create one Linux EC2 instance, the default root volume size is 8 gigabyte. So in case if you need to increase that one, if there is a requirement of increasing to suppose to 50 gigabyte of root volume or 100 gigabyte of root volume, how we can do that in Terraform. So in this video, I'll show you how we can write the statement to increase or change the volume size in Terraform. In our last video, we had seen how we can create the key pair and attach into the EC2 instance. In the same Terraform configurations file, I'll show you how we can change the root volume size. So if you see here, I have the same file ec2.tf, the configuration file, where I have the instance type. I have used T2 micro and key name, all the security groups, whatever we had explained in our last videos. So only thing you have to add here is one of the argument that is called root block device. Okay, what is this? Root underscore block underscore device. So here you have to pass few parameters like volume size. What are the volume size you want to increase? Suppose you want to change it to 50 gigabytes of volume, the root volume. And the volume type, the volume type, the GP2, GP3, and to more know about this, what are the volume types it supports, you can follow the documentations of AWS underscore instance, the resource block, where you can find the root block device, this argument. So what it supports these are the parameters. You can see delete and terminations, which we have mentioned it here. I think you know what this mean is, right? Delete underscore on underscore termination. So it's when we delete the EC2 instances, so what happened? It will delete the device as well, the block device. Okay, so here you can see these are the parameters you can use. So we are using the volume size and volume type. So the type of volumes, you can see these are the valid values, include standard GP2, GP3, IO1, IO2, and all these things. So you can follow these documentations, and based on your requirement, you can just add the volume type, and simply you have to just add this argument block. Right? So, and the rest of the things will be as it is. And the provider block, I have added it here, and I'm using 5.96. And the security group, I have added as per the previous video. Okay, so let's execute and see whatever the changes we did it here, whether it is reflecting or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and execute it. Let me first initialize it. So we'll just use Terraform init. Okay, initialization has been successfully completed. So what we can do now, just execute the Terraform apply. So give a value of yes. Okay. What is this? 3 resources added. So one is the key pair, security group, and the instance itself it's created. So 3 resources added. So now we can just log into our AWS console, and we can verify, right, the root volume whatever is created, whether it is 50 gigabytes or not. Okay, here the demo instance is created. So if we select this one and check the storage sections, if we go to the storage section here, and the root volume, right, this is the root volume, and you can see here it is 50 gigabytes. So the default size is 8 gigabytes, but it created the 50 gigabytes as per the configurations file we have created. Okay, suppose you want to increase it further to 50 gigabytes, then what you have to do, you have to simply change the configurations file to, suppose I want to increase it to 80 gigabytes or 100 gigabytes. So I can just save this one, and the same thing you have to do, just simply execute it. Okay, so let's do Terraform apply. Now we can see here in the apply, right, it says the volume size from 50, it will just going to increase to 100 gigabytes, right? So just hold on for some time. So you can see here, it's just modifying the instances. Okay, it's simply modifying the instances. Okay, here one changed, nothing added, one changed. So if we go here and just reload this page, okay, so now you can see here we have 100 gigabyte of volumes. So we modified it from 50 to 100 gigabytes. So in this way, we can change the root volume size of the EC2 instances.